What's up YouTube, it's your boy Cam. We back with another video, y'all. And today we are about to go through everything that I'm about to get from my car. Chat, I want y'all to help me get the stuff from my car that I need. Let me know like if y'all like it or not. I'm about to start screen recording right now so y'all can see. So let's go on the app. Okay, right here. Alright. So y'all should be able to see right now. Like right here. On this side. So, let's see. This is what I'm about to get. Wicker Bill. But, look. If y'all know of anything, like anything that's cheaper or something like that, just let me know like if I should get that or try to help me out, y'all. If y'all know about cars, you feel me? But shit, if the people that know about cars should be watching this video that like cars. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start a car channel, and that's gonna probably be like the first few vids that I do. Let me know if I should make I already have a car channel. It's called, let's see what it's called. I'm about to go on YouTube. It is called Fast Cam. It's right here. I'm about to show y'all. This channel right here. Cam Too Fast or something. Yeah, I got my car on here. I don't got no subscribers. What's up, YouTube?
This is my first video.
This is my first video on here, so I don't know, like, I can't say it's your boy, like, Cam. I miss my dreads, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But alright, yeah, that's my car channel. Let's get back to this. The bumper cover, it is out of stock right now, or out of stock. I'm gonna have to find another one that looks like this. But yeah, y'all see how like, bro, look at this bumper and then look at this bumper. Like, do y'all see the difference? Hold on. Like, look at this bumper. That's a regular bumper. Ain't that shit just ugly, bro? Like, nah, bro. The bumper right here, y'all see what I'm talking about? Not the hood, but the bumper. But that hood is hard though. I like that hood. So we're gonna go with that hood. And then but yeah, that bumper, this bumper is nice. Like, it looks like more sporty. That's what I'm looking for. I don't got a 5.0 yet, but we gonna get that at some point. I'm gonna swap it at some point. So yeah, that's the bumper, chat. And then we got Flow Series headlight. I want to get these headlights. They almost 400 for some headlights, bro. Like, what? And then look, that's gonna be almost 3 bands right there already. But I do want to get some other things. I just don't know what to get. Y'all let me know any things that I should get. Let's look up like Mustang stuff. Let's look up lights. Tail lights. That would be tough if they had some like, oh shit. What is this? Oh, I thought it was like the electronic system that changed. Damn, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I might get pulled over with this shit, but like, that shit hard. How much is these? Oh, hell no. 500? They tripping. Damn, chat. What should I? Yeah, let's not do that. Let's do interior styling. Pedals. I already got metal pedals. Floor mats and carpets. Let's see what they got. They got stitch, honeycomb, leather. That shit damn near look good. Oh, I like this. Damn, that shit look good though. Almost 200. These are all like regular. Okay. Damn, my phone being slow. Hold on. Them wheels are tough, bro. 219 a piece? I think so. Yep, 219 each. Damn, bro, them bitches is nice. I ain't gonna lie, them is nice as hell. Damn. Them shits are nice, bro. 3-year limited wheel warranty. Damn, these is nice too. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta throw my car in the GTA shop. The hell? I gotta get my shit looking right, bro. I'm about to drop a bag on my car, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta get my shit back right. And then I need to put a V8 in my shit after I'm done. I just gotta make it look nice, and then I'm gonna make it sound nice, feel nice, drive nice. Hella power. I might damn near get, I'm gonna try to basically, damn, I'm over here farting and shit. I'm gonna try to basically put, this might sound dumb, but, or not dumb, but like crazy. Might sound crazy, but I'm gonna try to put a 6.2. I don't know what engine that is for a Mustang. Let's actually look that up real quick. Bro, that shit gonna be expensive though. That's like a good, what, 20, 30 grand? But I think it's worth it though. Cause that adds value to the car, you gotta think about it. So it's not like, I mean, you might be losing a few grand, but you ain't losing nothing crazy if you, cause you could sell it. Make that shit look hella nice, sound nice and all that, and make sure it's a good working car. And somebody will pay some good money for something like that. Okay. Mustang 6.2 V8. Yeah, don't that bitch got a supercharger on the top? I don't know what that is. Yeah, see, look, this is the 6.2 liter V8 engine. That's what the 5.0 is? It's a 6.2? I didn't know that. It's a Mustang 5.0, a 6.2 liter. That's what I was saying. It says no, a Mustang 5.0 is not a 6.2 liter engine. It has a 5.0 liter. That's what I'm saying, like. So a 5.0. 5.0. Yeah, so the 6.2s are like probably the Cobras. Mustang Cobra, is that right? Let's see. Yeah, that motherfucker fast. Supercharged. Bro. But yeah, I mean, that's the stuff I'm gonna get though, so far. Y'all let me know, cause I don't know like what else to get, but I'm gonna get that bumper, stuff like that. I wanna look for some rims, some nice rims. I just wanna make my shit look hella good. I wanna put a 6.2 in it with a supercharger one day. I don't know when, but one day. And I believe I could do it, you know? Let's get this YouTube jumping. Start a car channel, have my vlog channel. I might start a family channel with me and my girl. And yeah, that would be lit, I ain't gonna lie. So y'all just let me know. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy Cam, and we out, y'all. Peace.